Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download Robinhood app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, let's dive into our app store, the familiar blue icon app with A in it. Click on the search icon and in the above search bar, you can just type in Robinhood. After hitting the enter, you can find various options available here. The one with the green icon you need to download. Let's click on that and you will open this type of interface. Here you can click get to start the download process. If you are downloading it for the first time, it will ask for your ID verification, and after verifying your identity with the touch ID or face ID, it will begin the download process. It may take few minutes to get download as per your ISP. Just wait patiently until it gets downloaded. Finally, the app has been now installed in your device. Let's click on the open to explore the app. Explore the app by yourself. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.